Hi, we are Advent Hope Academy, a results-oriented school centrally located on the third floor of Stanley House, corner 1st and Jason Moyo. Our curriculum offers both ZIMSEC and Cambridge syllabi for Forms 1 to 6 in the faculties of Arts, Commercials and Sciences, with state-of-the-art labs for our science students. We have a good student-to-teacher ratio as we believe education is the key to success. Advent Hope Academy embraces technology and 21st century teaching methods like gamification and educational tours both locally and internationally. Again, there is an opportunity for group scholarships to Poland and India available to all our students.
As we all know, all work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Advent Hope offers a variety of co-curricular activities including sports such as basketball and volleyball, as well as clubs such as chess and Toastmasters, and active participation in community outreach and cleanup campaigns as we are ambassadors of our environment. We strive to produce a vibrant youth, a youth that says no to drug abuse and other immoral vices. As a Christian institution, we believe God directs our lives. As such, we start our day with devotions and have a week of prayer every term.